Welcome to Click for IB Biology. We're studying genetics, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the phenomena called phenotypic plasticity. There's a blank version of my presentation, a PDF, down in the description. You can download that and annotate that with your own notes as we make our way through the topic. And then to consolidate your learning and understanding, take the 10-question quiz at the end and check out the answers. Phenotypic plasticity. The phenomena of phenotypic plasticity is where the phenotype of the organism changes in response to an environmental signal. In this particular example that I'm going to show you, we will be looking at the aquatic species Daphnia and how this responds to a particular environmental signal. And that signal comes from the presence of predatory fish, such as this big-headed carp, and the signal is a chemical present in the water. And with fish, where the predatory fish give off these chemical signals, these are known as caryomes. With the presence, so this is the animal currently, which is in the freshwater environment. Along comes the big-headed carp like this. The chemical is given off by the predatory fish, and the signal is picked up by the organism Daphnia. And what this is going to do is result in a change in both morphology and behavior. So that's and/or behavior. Note, it's important to stress that what is not happening here is a change to the genetic code. So in response to the presence of the prey and the chemical coming from the prey fish to Daphnia, the body of the Daphnia significantly shortens. This has been statistically measured and is a statistically significant reduction. The second feature which occurs in Daphnia is that the tail spine, which is present, significantly increases in size as well. So these are two strategies. Being smaller makes it more difficult for the predator to catch the organism, and then the tail spine will discourage ingestion of the Daphnia, and in that way it may avoid being consumed as the prey. I did say that there's a behavioral change, and one of the features that's been noticed in a lot of zooplankton is the change in their position within the water column, either moving up or down and away from the location of the of our predatory fish. So if a predatory fish is present at this location, the chemical changes the behavior of the prey. They may move up, or indeed they can move down. Now the interesting part about this, of course, is that when the predatory fish are removed or they leave that particular location, that the Daphnia can actually return to their original feeding position in the water, and indeed their body sizes can increase. So let's stress that in phenotypic plasticity, the phenotype will change, but the genotype does not change. So it's only changes in morphology or behavior. There is some evidence to suggest that these effects may be epigenetic and may possibly be carried over from one generation to the next in zooplankton. There is the link to our next genetics video with the chance to subscribe to the channel and of course our playlist. Thank you for listening.